How to get bandana in Blox Fruits Second Sea. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding obtaining a bandana in the game Blox Fruits Second Sea. I'll discuss the various methods to acquire this bandana and whether it is feasible to do so in the Second Sea region. To obtain a bandana, you must rely on the luck as it is a random drop from the elite pirates. These pirates appear in different locations around the Third Sea, approximately 10 minutes after being defeated. The challenges arises when attempting to locate them while being confined to the Second Sea area. In essence, it is impossible to obtain the bandana without the access to the Third Sea. Although I will elaborate on all the acquisition methods for your future reference, it is crucial to emphasize that obtaining the bandana without the access to the Third Sea remains unattainable. If you do gain access to the Third Sea, you can find the elite pirates in various locations such as Port Town, Hydra Island, and the Banana Fruit Spa on the Grand Line. Keep in mind that there are additional spawn points for these pirates. However, the critical point is to remember that the bandana is only accessible in the Third Sea, not the Second Sea. I hope this video has provided clarity on this matter. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.